Today I will be making a very special recipe which is rich gourd of the summer vegetable will be cooked with motor dal dumpling. It's a kind of lentil. I've taken motor dal soaked for 4 hours and I will peel the rich gourd like this through a peeler, and I'll show you a sample how to cut it. I'll cut it into half, one lengthwise, and we'll do the cutting in a medium size segment. So we'll do this kind of cutting for the whole rich gourd, and the motor lentil will put in a mixer grinder. Put one green chili, put half-inch ginger, turmeric and salt, and we'll make a paste. And in other side, in a stone silbatta, I'll grind the ginger and poppy seed with little mustard, yellow mustard, with little water to a fine paste. This is the recipe for this particular speciality of Bengali cuisine. So you have to make it very fine paste. I will collect it in a small plate, ginger and poppy seed, mustard seed separate paste. At the other side, in the mixer grinder, the lentil paste has been done. Now I'll make this, beat with my hand to make it little fluffy for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that is done, I'll take little mustard oil, put randhuni spice and a bay leaf and green chili, saute it for a while, put the rich gourd and saute it, put little salt, turmeric and put enough water, and when it starts boiling it will cook it for 7 to 8 minutes, and put little ginger paste. In this stage, when it becomes 7 to 8 minutes of cooking, we'll put the lentil dumpling into small vada type in the hot water. Should not be cold, because if it is cold it will mix together with the water. It should be hot so that it forms a dumpling which will be boiled in this gravy. If you want to move it, you can move it. If you don't want to do anything, you can cook it straight for 6 minutes. I'll put little sugar, put the poppy seed batter or the paste in this gravy, so that the thickening and the speciality of this dish happens after adding this poppy seed mustard paste. And we'll finish this, and the plating I am doing in a serving bowl. See how beautiful it is looking. We'll be eating it with another 2 recipes, and one is the one we made right now, and another is dal. And please like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in another new video. Bye bye for now.